We are pleased to show you the 2018 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.